Alright, so I have my Master Keys Pro L from Cooler Master, and I'm desoldering the blue switches here, and I'm putting in the white switches, the box whites. And in order to do this, I made a jig for each soldering iron. I got two of these really cheap soldering irons from Amazon, and I made this little jig here, if it would focus. So I made this little jig. I just whipped it up real quick, and it holds both of them at the perfect angle to desolder my pins here. So as I do this, I just want to kind of demonstrate how I'm doing this. So as you can see, if you don't mind finagling the board like this up vertically, it actually works pretty well. I mean, I've been very happy with how quickly I can swap out all these switches here and get them desoldered. So not only do you get them desoldered, but you get them out of the plate too. I've got my printers going in the background right now, so that's probably what the sound you're hearing. I printed my buddy a drip pan, which is probably for his beer making stuff. So he's been getting pretty big into that lately. So, but yeah, I just wanted to kind of show what I'm doing here. I think this works very well. It looks kind of stupid, and I will probably refine this print a little better in the future and kind of refine it. It's held together with a zip tie right now, but I'll probably throw a screw in there or something, finish it off a little better, and but yeah, this is working very well so far. So yeah, thanks for watching.